Salvo Populus. So I saw one of these cookers on Adam Reeman's What to Pack for an ADV trip, and I'm up to the GS Challenge in September, so I've got I think it's called an Odoland cooker. I haven't got the rest of it with me, but basically you get this in a nice little plastic cover which then goes into the larger cooker and the smaller cooking pots, and I am going to give it a go, see what it's like. Hopefully I won't burn myself up or set fire to the garden. Good start. I do like the way these flanges, I think it's a flange, fold out so you can cook with it. They also, all this kind of spins in. So this is a screw on, so technically I should be able to unscrew this and pack it all away, if I can get the damn thing on in the first place. Put it through Amazon. There we go. It creates a nice seal. You can see the seal around here, and there's also a seal further out. Right. I've now gone and folded it. So, okay, let's just keep that out. Ooh, you can hear the gas going. You can hear it. So I just need that. Wow. Jeez. You can really turn it up, or you can really turn it down. Blimey. Okay, so that works. That works quite well. Let's try again. There we go, a nice little flame. Trouble with it is you can't see the flame, so it's all, you know, that's still on. And if you didn't know that, you're in a bit of trouble. So let's make that nice and tight. So obviously, yeah, even that bit. Does that bit get hot-ish? Not really. So I'm not going to touch the top part. Just want to see if I can unscrew it. Yeah, so I don't, I can't. Takes a lot of screwing, that's what she said. And it's sealed again, so I can travel with it. It smells a little bit gassy, but it's not whooshing out or anything. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that cooks. What I might do is I might tape it over anyway, just to be sure, just to be safe. But impressed so far. I'm not going to try cooking with it. I'll be a bit sad, but I just wanted to see if I could actually work out how to light it and do so safely without blowing everyone up at the GS Challenge. But yeah.